said lying in your lifetime.
Yeah, tell the truth.
You not tell to lie. Lie. When you lie, how you feel? You feel okay going to bed at
I
night?
feel great. I feel so good that I want to lie
You want to lie again?
again. It's like when you have something, you just let it go. You just feel better after.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Hi Fizz, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. I'm just rolling out of bed. I am tired. See my hair looking all sort of crazy? I'm tired. But I'm starting this morning off with making porridge for my kids. They don't know that I'm about to make them porridge, so let's see how fast I can get them out here. Sarah, Tyler, who wanna help me make porridge? What did you say? Say hello to the fans. Say wagwan.
Wagwan mayut. Midaya panigaza. Wagwan midaya panigaza.
Very good.
Chips panigaza.
Midday upon the Gaza.
Midaya panigaza. Midaya panigaza.
Say wagwan mayot.
Wagwan mayut midaya panigaza. Panigaza.
Pandigaza.
Where's
It's
Sarah?
time to make porridge.
Sarah?
Why you blocking her? You want to help Mama make porridge?
Yes.
Alright. Come, throw the milk. Throw the milk in here. Whoa! Good job.
Oh shit. I couldn't.
Half of this one.
Tell me how when to stop.
Go ahead. Go, 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 go.
Dash.
Okay, Sarah, put a dash of this one because that one can be too much. Just dash. Oh, okay. You just go dash that. Go ahead. Okay, good job. I'll put the salt. Can't allow you to put the salt.
Alright, please.
Come, hold your hand. Throw it in. Throw it in. Good job. Throw a little bit. I'll tell you when to stop. Go ahead. Stop. Good job. Alright, it's time for the coconut milk. Who wanna throw the coconut milk?
Me! I started first.
That's okay. You throw some and you throw some. Alright, hold it. Go ahead. I'll tell you when to stop. Squeeze the box. Stop. Give it to Sarah. Squeeze the box, Sarah.
Squeezing it for her.
Continue. Okay, good job. Alright, now we need the oats.
Oats me! Me too. Not the polenta?
Is polenta porridge you want?
Yes. But if it's
I don't know if I have any polenta porridge. Tyler say one cornmeal porridge. Wait, let me check.
okay. If not oatmeal, it's okay. Rumba chumbala. Chumba chumba chumba.
Ah, I do have.
Chumba chumba chumba.
So what make you want polenta this morning? You just feel for polenta?
Yes. Chumba chumba
Where did you get this chumba chumba song from?
chumba.
Well, I guess they're not having oatmeal this morning. They're having cornmeal porridge. So cornmeal porridge it is.
Mama,
Yes,
for
sir.
lunch, what can I have? Porridge?
You want porridge for lunch?
And can I have polenta?
You want polenta for lunch? With what?
With and meat.
I'll make polenta with what in it?
And meat sausage.
I'll make polenta for dinner.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. For lunch I'm gonna have what?
You want the porridge for lunch?
Yes.
Okay.
So breakfast, porridge, lunch, porridge, dinner polenta, and some meat. Hey! Bing, 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 bing.
Polenta porridge.
The morning polenta. Morning polenta. The morning porridge. Afternoon porridge.
You see why you can't do
Can
that?
you
Because your
mix
sister
it?
follow everything.
Can you mix it?
You want to mix it? Here, don't come up. Mix it right there.
I can mix it too.
Yes, but let her mix first.
Mosca, basunda. Bing,
And of course, my kids are home today because it is. Let's see who know what day today is when my kids are home from school. Comment down below. Let me know what day is today. What day of the week my kids doesn't go to school. Porridge is ready. A little cornmeal mixed with a little oats.
Porridge is ready.
Yes, porridge is ready. And who else is ready? You're ready? It's hot, Ty. It's hot. You have to wait. It's very hot. For one thing, my kids love porridge. They love them some porridge. They can't wait. But it have to cool. Have hot porridge have burn you as yet? That's no joke. What are you doing in my room? What are you doing in my bed? Huh? What is this? Boing, 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 tuk, 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 boing, boing. Get out of my bed. Where's the other one? What are you doing? So who is this? The goalkeeper? That's the goalkeeper? Okay. You guys, today I am putting finish touches. So what's that? That's the audience?
This
No, who those? The audience? They're cheering you? I'm putting fine. No, don't put that in your mouth. Don't put that in your mouth, okay?
Okay.
Putting final touches on suitcases today.
Daddy, look at your face. Puffy, Puffy, non, tu vas pas. I want to funny. eat.
Sarah, no, it don't cook. She eating uncooked pasta. Don't do that. Hey, be careful, guys. Pasta and sausage or pasta and ham?
Pasta and ham.
Sarah, sausage or ham? Sarah, Kyla, leave her, let she answer me. Well, you're gonna get both because only one ham remains. Alright, so it's lunchtime and my kids wanted two different pasta. Tyler wanted the butterfly pasta and Sarah wanted the little flowers pasta. If you look closely on this one, you'll see the detail. You'll see the detail of the flowers on this little pasta. No! Mama gonna give you lunch right now, okay?
Okay.
And one wants ham and the other one wants sausage. So, lunch is going down. Sarah, put pasta in your mouth, please.
No. You can't catch me. I'm a gingerbread man.
Oh my gosh, you guys. I've been so busy. But now I'm hungry. So it's time for lunch. I went ahead and I made some roast chicken in the oven so that I can have some lunch. And of course, I'm having a salad. You guys know that I love my belly. I wish I could eat anything and not put on weight. Seriously, that's how much I love food. That is why when I want something, I eat it. Because I work out so hard. I'll try to take care of myself as best as possible. When I go on vacations, nothing is off limits. And when I want to indulge, I indulge in it all. I don't limit myself to nothing. But on a daily basis, I pay attention to what I eat and the portion that I eat. But for example, like yesterday, I fell for chips. And I sat down and ate a big bag of chips all on my own. And it was so satisfying. That's how I do. Yes? I know you guys understand why I have to work out. Because I love my belly. Anyway, let me give you a good shot of this plate. Isn't it looking so delicious? Oh my god. Dive in. We have almonds, lettuce, avocado, chicken, tomato, cheese. Why are you telling her that she punish?
Because she's doing Only me, I'm reading the story.
Sarah, don't do that. Okay?
Okay.
You listen.
C'est-à-dire que ce tas de cailloux fait plus de 9170 mètres.
Which book are you reading?
I read the poet.
That's from school? From the Bible at school?
Yes.
Okay.
Tata, you beat the candle at school.
Okay.
What's in the lab?
This is where they are jamming right now. Sarah gonna take a nap soon and Tyler will continue to read his book.
Y a-t-il des volcans partout sur la Terre?
You see the mess they make when they're together?
La
Yes.
plupart des volcans se situent le long des
Their zone.
structures.
So here am I with everybody all jolly, ready to leave the house. Where are you going? Where are you going? You have no idea where you're going.
I don't know.
Where are you going?
Chinese restaurant.
So why you didn't answer me? Well, you're going to stay in the car. Mama gonna cook dinner at the Chinese restaurant. We're coming back home. No, it's Wednesday of school tomorrow. The Chinese restaurant gonna take. Hey, when Mama talking, you keep your mouth closed, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna pick up dinner at the Chinese restaurant. We're not gonna eat it because you have school tomorrow, and if you eat here, it's gonna take too long. Cause it's a buffet. Okay? So Mom, you're gonna stay in the car. Mama is gonna pick up dinner and come back. Buffet mean you serve yourself the food. Okay? And to pay to sit at a buffet is more expensive than if you go to just pick up the food and come out. Understand? So we're not gonna sit in today. If it was the weekend, we would have sit in, but no. And baby's over there, so we're just ready to head out. Oh, and we are back home, and it's dinner time. What are you eating?
Chicken.
It's yummy. What are you eating?
It's dumpling, that's what I call it.
And what are you eating?
Chicken.
And what are you eating? Names, you guys, we have a little bit of everything. We have shrimp, chicken, all kind of fandangles in this one. Shrimp, pork, duck, and over here is rice. So yeah, we're eating. Din.
That's good.
Dinner time.
So
I'm coming on to end to this vlog with somebody and he doesn't know it. Somebody and he doesn't know it.
oh.
Come, say hello to the bear.
I'm still looking who doesn't know it. So Wagwan Miguel.
I wake up the picnic for she gone sleep. If extra you say.
You can see the amount of white hair that she have and she
No shame in my hair. Lie.
Oh, it was a secret.
I painted?
Yeah.
When? Where?
The amount of things that I saw in the bathroom. A lot of toothbrush with the same color.
You're not tired to lie. You're not tired to lie in your lifetime.
I tell the truth.
You're not tired to lie. Lie. When you lie, how you feel? You feel okay going to bed at
I feel
night?
great. I feel so good that I want to lie.
You want to lie again?
It's like when you have something, you just let it go. You just feel better after. That's how I feel.
You're not tired of lying in your life. You must stop from lying.
Do I look tired? Honestly, do I look tired?
No, you don't.
You got to answer. She have the guilty face. You're guilty. Hey guys, do you know her color? Teletubbies. I don't know if you know what is Teletubbies.
If I know?
Yeah.
You show it to me because you always call me that and I ask you what it is and you show me.
Yeah, Teletubbies. I'm going to tell you what is Teletubbies.
Let me do it for them so they can have an idea when you show them of what it is.
Teletubbies. Well, they don't have the
You guys. Press. Okay.
Yes. They don't have the pink one, but she look like them.
Wait. Touch the camera screen. Don't move your phone, but touch the camera screen. Tap.
Yeah.
Babe said this is what me look like. You guys see how I'm feisty, how I'm rude?
Yeah, that's exactly
Him not have
how
no
she
behavior.
look like. So she's the fifth one, the hidden one, the pink one.
You guys, you know what babe did one day? My sister-in-law put on her head wrap and going to bed one night. And my husband tell her that she have a condom on her head.
I don't know why she always found that funny. That was true.
Until this day, years later, I still can't stop laughing at that joke. He's so rude. He don't have no behavior. You must learn to behave yourself. You can behave yourself one day of your life.
I try.
You try.
I try.
I don't believe you. Anyway, you guys, dinner was good. Everybody full to the brim. I can't even take ear right now. We're going to bed. My boy is here chilling while Sarah is in bed. One-on-one while Sarah in bed.
I find him a book at the library today.
And he loves these books, so once he start reading it, he's not gonna stop until he's finished. Anyway, guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fan bam, catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
tomorrow.